We'll guide you through how to make circle transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place the clips on the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Arrange the first clip above the second clip so the transition can be created between them. Once the clips are placed, create a circle shape layer inside the composition using the Shape tool. After creating the circle, set the fill to a solid color so the circle is fully visible. Place the circle in the center of the composition so it becomes the main transition element. Next, press S on the keyboard to open the scale property for the circle layer. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to scale. Set the scale value to 0% at the beginning of the timeline so the circle starts invisible. After that, move the playhead forward to the point where the transition should complete. Increase the scale value until the circle expands and covers the entire screen. A second keyframe will be created automatically, creating the expansion animation. After animating the circle, place the second clip under the circle layer in the timeline so it will be revealed during the transition. Then set the circle layer as a track matte using Alpha Matte. Link the circle layer as the matte so it controls the visibility of the clip below. The second clip will now appear only inside the expanding circle shape. After setting the matte, preview the animation by playing the timeline from the beginning. Watch carefully to make sure the circle expands smoothly and reveals the second clip correctly. Adjust keyframes if needed for timing or scale. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Check the output settings if needed, then click Render to export the final video. Your circle transition is complete. This effect is commonly used in motion graphics to create smooth and professional scene changes.